Oh, hi. Hello. Sorry, I was just in the elevator, finishing up some paperwork. Anyways, if you follow me this way, I'll show you how to download some texture packs. Alright, here we go. Wait, why are you so far away? You nervous? Come in a little closer for a better look. Oh, what a great transition. Anyways, open up Google, and now, in your search bar, you want to search CurseForge.com. This is a place where you can search different Minecraft mods, texture packs, resource packs, whatever. So you want to click on resource packs, and now there's a list of different resource packs you can choose from. So I chose Clarity, which unlike this video, is pretty good. So you want to make sure you press download and not install. Next up, you want to press Windows key plus R, and then type %appdata%. This will bring up a new window where you can see your Minecraft folder, so press .minecraft at the top. Now if you've never downloaded any texture packs before, you want to make a new folder, and you want to rename it Resource Packs without a space. Now you want to take that good old resource pack you downloaded, and you want to right click it and press Extract All, and this will give you a new folder on your desktop which you want to drag into your Resource Packs folder. So now you can open up Minecraft, press Options, Resource Packs, and you can press the arrow on the resource pack that you want to activate. And now, it should be pretty good.
You saved me. Why?
Monkey.